Dear student, this is the 11th module, last module, practice exam for CISCO SMBE 700-750. So last module is related to introducing engineering programs. So the first question would be like, which internal engineering resource typically collaborates with sales team to craft business value demonstration? Software developers, technical writers, sales engineers, and network architects. Answer is sales engineer. True and false. Easy question. Participation in the Black Belt program is a prerequisite for all Cisco sales representative. False. Which external pre-sales support option provides access to Meraki certified network architects for design and implementation specifically for Meraki solution? The options are Tech Data, Ingram Micro, Cisco System, Distribution, or DISTI pre-sales support. Answer is DISTI pre-sales support. Which Cisco resource offers ongoing technical support for troubleshooting complex network issues and product assistance? Answer is Technical Assistance Center. How does DevNet benefits sales representatives seeking to stay ahead of the curve in the network technologies? The answer is training materials, certification programs, and developer resources. Here we have some extension questions for you. Describe a scenario where collaboration between sales and network architects can lead to successful sales for SMB customer. Here is an answer. An SMB customer requires a secure network solution for their growing businesses. Sales and network architects collaborate to design and customize solution, addressing specific security needs and demonstrating its effectiveness through PVDs, leading to a successful sale. Question number 7. Which Sales Connect feature provides access to the pre-configured network environment for rapid PVD development? Training modules, product demos, customer case studies, and dcloud platforms. Answer is dcloud platform. Here is a bonus question. Explain how the Black Belt programs help sales representative close complex deals involving advanced Cisco technologies. Answer is Black Belt offers advanced training on the specific technologies, enabling sales rep to understand complex solutions, address customer concerns effectively, and confidently negotiate larger deals. Bonus questions. Compare and contrast the roles and capability of DISTRI pre-sale engineers and Meraki CMNA certified architect in supporting the SMB customers. Answer is DISTRI pre-sale engineer offer general pre-sale support across various Cisco technology, while Meraki CMNA architects specialize in Meraki solution, providing in-depth design, implementation, and optimization expertise. Bonus question. Discuss potential challenges associated with the rely solely on internal engineering resource for pre-sale support in SMB sales context. Answer is relying solely on the internal resources may limit reach and expertise for niche technologies. Leveraging external support options like DISTI and Meraki program expands capabilities and provide access to specialized skills. Well done. I hope best of luck for your exam.